Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Your watch must be nearby and paired. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch, then Photos. Once there, you'll see Synced Album and the controls for Photos Watch Faces. Make the first move now. Change Synced Album from Featured to None, or pick an album that does not contain that featured image. This immediately stops the dynamic featured feed from syncing to the watch, so you stop seeing that photo. Once you've set Synced Album to None, make sure the Photos-based watch face is gone. On the watch, press firmly on the current face, swipe to the Photos or Featured face, and tap Remove. If you prefer to keep a Photos face, choose a curated album that excludes that image. Also check the Portraits face settings on the phone. Sometimes the image is kept via Favorites or a synced album, so remove it there to prevent resurfacing. To finish, hide or delete the photo on your iPhone. Open Photos, select the image, tap Share and choose Hide. That removes it from featured and synced albums. Once done, make sure to restart both devices if the image persists. If the watch still shows the photo, double-check the Watch app synced album setting or temporarily disable iCloud Photos to force a resync. This process ensures the featured image is removed and won't reappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.